Right now we're looking at all the different bombings and different things that Pablo Escobar was involved in, starting from 1984, going all up this wall, and many of them are listed here. The first one in 84 was the U.S. Embassy in Bogota. You can read that there. So many of them. This is in Medellin, and we're going to walk up here and see all of these. And then there's a different story on the other side. We're going to go over there, but you can see all 1985, the Palace of Justice, a newspaper here, a building. As you can see, it says Bamba, 13 December 1988, and it goes on and on and on here. So, and this site used to be a big building that Pablo built, the 7-story building, but after he got killed, they imploded the building and put this monument up here. So, okay. We have different barrios, Department of Studies, Education, Goodyear Company, a textile company, and different banks, a number of different banks. The Hare Krishnas, he bombed them. Another barrio, another library or something here. Different things. It goes on and on and on as we go up here. These are still 1988. More banks, radio station, I think here. There was a utility company, another bank, and drugstore. Somebody else, one of his enemies, owned part of that, so he bombed it. 1989, he said, was the worst year. There were so many of them in 1989. Back here, you don't have as many, but starting in 89, that's when things got really bad here. Another pharmacy, another pharmacy, another pharmacy, and it's really another pharmacy, and radio station here, I think, an auto dealership. That I don't know what that is here. Public transportation company, etc. Yeah, some of these are 19 March, 7th of April, 7th of April, 7th of April, 10th of April, 11th of April, 21st of April. It's a busy week. Almost every day he's bombing something there. And you can see some of these say bomba. This one says petardo. I'm not sure what that is. Could be a shooting. This one says carro bomba, so that's probably a car bomb there. And this is all bombs, May, bombs, still in May here. We got bomb 25th of May, car bomb 30th of May, another bomb 1st of June, 27th of June. June was a little quiet there, I guess. And then we have a massacre. It must have been a big shooting here on the 29th of June in a barrio here. Another bomb, 29th of June here. A bomb, some agency, some club here. Another massacre, killed a bunch of people. Car bomb here. We're up in August, Petardo, I'm not sure what that is. August here. August. Bombs. More and more here. Still in August here. Going down here. Bank. San Martino. Some of these bomb. Tres Condes. I don't know what that is. A club there. And more bombs here. It's so hard to see with the reflection, I know, folks. But this is really, this place is crazy here. Look at all this. September, bank. September, bank, bombs. A restaurant here, police department, Petardo, I'm not sure what that one is. Car bomb, September. This is all 89. All this here was 89. September. And you think this is a lot? Well, it continues on up here. We're getting even more of them here. Oh, we're still in 89. bomb Hotel Hilton. More bombs, bombs, bombs. Car bomb, bomb, bomb. This is November of '89. Bomb, bomb, bomb. An avenue. December of '89. It might have been a church, so some farmhouses here. Christian church or school. Still December. This is still 1989. Look at all this stuff here. Now we're finally getting starting 1990 here, but it still goes on here, on and on and on. This one says Grenada. Might have been an assassination, I don't know, political, and then a massacre here in April of '90. Car bomb, bomb, car bomb, rockets. Something about rockets here in the hacienda. Ooh, look at that here. Petardo, car bomb. Well, we're still in 1990 here. Car bombs, bombs, more of them. A massacre. 23rd of June at a bar. Police station car bomb. Bomb, a radio station. I think, I don't know what, the massacre. More bombs. November. I don't know what some of these are. Service at Texaco service station. Bombed. The guy bombed everything here. Look at this. There was nothing that was off limits here. If something didn't go his way, you think it, hey, bomb them or shoot them or whatever. More banks. More banks. We're into 1991. Car bomb. 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 Car bomb. Something public. Bomb. 1992. 91 was a pretty quiet year here. Not much. We're up in 92 now here. There's 93. Some car bombs. There were, I don't know what month that is. Dinero. February. That must be January, February. And then the last bomb was in 93 here. So, okay. There you go. It's all of them here. They come all the way up here.
Alright, so some of you were wondering about these big walls and all of these.
It's 46,612 holes here that could represent all the people that were killed.
And then every single one of these holes represents a victim of those that they.
This building that used to be here, 7-story building, Pablo Escobar. Remember I said it was imploded after he was gone. And this building here used some of the rubble to build this fence. So that's rubble from the building that used to be here, with the monument over here now. Okay, this is the monument here. We're on the side with the bullet holes now. It's all down here. It goes all the way down to the bottom. And there's the sign, and there's our bus over there.